Hi there, Rick here. So I was just checking my position today in the markets. There's a lot has happened since the last time. Wow, since last Friday. Um, so this is my Microsoft Money app. Okay, I see that gold. Okay, it's jumped $19. You see that? I'll put my mouse pointer. It's jumped $19.60 since the last Friday. Okay, um, that's the high of it. That's the current price of it right now. Okay, the spot price $2,436.20. Okay, it's a 0.78% increase from last Friday. Okay, silver. Okay, um, remember, it just broke $30 just a little while ago, last Friday. It's up $1.16 or 3.73%. Okay. I'm going into my Questrade IQ Edge app right now. Okay. So this window that's popped up here, okay. See, I had on Friday, I had two options that were expiring. Okay. It was IAG, okay, and SILV, okay. So those two options got exercised. So that's what that means is that um, I had to either sell it, okay, before 2 p.m. Eastern time, or the option would get exercised, and I would have to have at least, the money to cover. Um, I would have to have the money in my account, okay. So I double checked my account, and I made sure that I had the money in my account to exercise those two options. Okay, put my mouse pointer on it. Okay, you see IAG, I am gold. Okay, see now it no longer says 10 anymore because the option got exercised on, I believe, May 17th. Okay, so it's saying I have an open quantity of 1,000 shares right now. Okay, my strike price was $4 and my strike price was $4. Okay, so you saw that. Okay, my average price right here. Okay, $4. Now the stock is traded at $4.43 right now. Okay, because it's a U.S. on a U.S. exchange, it's in U.S. dollars. Okay, remember I was talking about the stock before. For the longest time, I was down $100 on it U.S. Okay, now look at it. Okay, it's in the green. Okay, no longer in the red. It's showing a profit of 530 US dollars right now. Okay, SLV got exercised too. Okay, you see that I have 1,000 shares in it too. The average price that I got it for was $7. Okay, remember that said 10 too before. Represent 10 options. Okay, so it went up as high as $2.43. It's showing a profit of $2,430 right now. Okay, it's jumped up quite a bit. Okay, FR.TO. Okay, TO stands for Toronto Stock Exchange. Okay, this one got exercised, earlier than those other two that I was talking about. That's the price. That's the strike price. That it was $8.50. Okay, it's gone up what, a little bit more than $2 since then. Okay, it's showing a profit of $2,280 Canadian. Okay, see that the PL stands for profit loss. Okay, Canadian $2,282.31. US dollars $2,960. Okay, I converted the US dollars to Canadian. It's showing a profit of a total of $6,052 Canadian. Okay. Remember last Friday I was talking about it. I was just saying how I was showing a profit of $3,300, some odd dollars, something like that, Canadian, okay? So, that's almost what? Since last Friday, okay? Remember the stock markets are closed on the weekends, okay? Saturday, Sunday, they're closed, okay? So that's almost 100% increase right there, okay? Because remember, okay, I said that last Friday, okay, 3,300 and some odd dollars profit Canadian, and now it's like, $6,052. So it jumped all the way from about 3,300 all the way up to 6,000 now, okay? Like I say, there's a bull run happening in the metal markets right now, okay? And it's just starting, okay? So there's still time to get in, okay? You just probably have to kind of like buy in on the dips, okay? And there's lots of talk right now. A lot of these economists that were following these guru metal markets experts talking on the internet, almost all of them are saying we're heading into a metal markets bull run right now, and the metal markets are really gonna shoot up, okay? There were some estimations of, gold going to like 4,000. Some people are saying 10,000. Some people are saying 20. A lot of people are calling for triple digit silver right now. Silver going to 100, even 200, 300, right? All this is very possible. The reason why I say this is because in the metal markets, a lot of countries around the world right now, okay? Like I'm talking about the central banks, even people, okay, in general, they're starting to collect silver or buy silver mining shares, okay? And usually when that happens, okay, it drives up the price because these people or even these central banks are buying up the gold, buying up the silver, right? India just made an announcement a little while ago, I think a couple of months ago, that they're planning on building, I think the world's largest solar panel park, okay? And this park is going to be enormous, okay? I heard it's supposed to be 5 times the size of Paris. And I think, you build something like that, it's going to draw in lots of tourists because, well, they're going to want to see it. They're going to want to take pictures of it, right? So, it also helps out your economy too in terms of tourism. And, remember how much, power this is going to generate too, right? It's going to generate a lot of power for their country. Maybe even they might export some of this power too to other countries nearby and, make revenue from that, right? So I think it's smart of what they're doing, but boy, they're going to put a lot of strain on the on silver because they're going to be buying up a lot of silver that's, coming onto the markets. So this opportunity that's happening right now in real time, okay? I think it's kind of like once in a lifetime opportunity. And I'm putting a bit of money into this too, okay? I probably have about $20,000 invested in this, and it's already paid out about $6,000 in profits Canadian, okay? That's if I cashed out, okay, my positions right now. If I cashed out on my 3 main positions, okay, I would have, $6,000 Canadian, not bad. Because I trade it through my tax-free savings account, okay, I don't have to pay taxes on it, right? I could, transfer it out from my trading account into my local bank, go out and spend it, go out and celebrate, okay? Kind of like know what you're doing, or have some sort of mentor that is willing to, teach you the things too, how to trade, okay? Because there is a lot to know in the markets, okay? And I've been in the markets, 9 years now, off and on, okay? Been trading for like 9 years, okay? And I've seen a lot of different things in the markets already, okay? And, I'm more confident now when I trade stock compared to 9 years ago, okay? Remember too, okay, I bought Ricky Gutierrez's course, okay? And, I watched all his videos, followed him on Discord a bit, okay? It's quite amazing because the guy is making about $16,000 US a day. I'll say that again. The guy is making $16,000 US a day trading, okay? He trades with about $1 million account, okay? And, he's quite calm, okay, when he trades too, okay? Because he's been doing it for a while. He knows what he's doing, okay? So I just want to look at some other stock here. So I see that Geely Motors, it's up 3 cents today, 2.65%. Maybe I should have bought some shares in that. BYDDY, okay. That other EV car company, okay. BYD, okay. I see that's up 21 cents, 0.37% today, okay. SILV, okay, it's up 6 cents today, 0.64%, 1.95 million shares have been traded. IAG, okay, I am gold, it's up 2 cents today, or 0.55%. Even BITF, that Bitcoin miner, it's up 8 cents. That's quite a bit. It's at 11.9 million shares have been traded already. It's quite a bit. Okay, see my it's changed now, okay? For my US dollar profit. You see that there? It's showing a profit of $3,000 US right now. That's quite a bit, okay? Like, I don't know about you, but I consider, wow, $3,000 US a lot of money, okay? Remember too, if you convert it back to Canadian, that's almost what? $4,000 Canadian, okay? And if I wanted the money in US dollars, okay, I could get it in US dollars, but of course, I wouldn't take it in US dollars if I transferred it back to my my local bank, just because, well, like, I mean, you bring US dollars in a lot of retail stores, around Vancouver, they don't like you giving them US dollars, okay? They want Canadian dollars, okay? Okay, I'm looking at Silvercrest Metals right now. Okay, so it opened at around $9.48. You see that there? Okay. Then it dropped down to what? $9.14, and then it went all the way back up to what? Around $9.48. Right now it's around $9.48 right now. But that is huge, okay? For silver to jump up more than $1 in one day, okay? That is big. That's 3.73%. That's $1.16 right there, okay? You can see that, $1.16. Gold is up $18.30.